Let's talk about Bosch BCH625K2GB Athlet Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, 25.2 volts. Exceptionally powerful cleaning results across all floor surfaces. Bagless cleaning, easy to empty and no bags to buy. Cord-free, hassle-free cleaning with impressive 60-minute runtime. Use the accessory kit to cleaning upholstery and in fiddly corners. 3 performance levels to tackle all levels of dirt. More than happy with ours. Light, quick and very easy to use. Battery could do with lasting a bit longer, so don't expect to hoover an entire 3-bed house too thoroughly. More of a quick going over. This was bought for ease of carrying upstairs and frequent lightweight hoovering on wooden tiled and carpeted floors, which it does very well. Turbo mode is superb, but won't last for much more than a couple of reasonable sized carpeted rooms. Obviously, the more resistance to the brush head, the more it drains the battery. The dust container is pretty easy to empty, can be fiddly to click back in sometimes, but minor quibble. Like most bagless vacs, there is no such thing as a dust-free way to empty them. The rotating brush head is easy to remove for cutting away hairs that get wrapped around it with a handy slot along it, so you can get scissors in. Just don't expect the wife to do that job. Got at a great price. Arrived before expected delivery date. Love how handy it is to take up and down 3 floors. Being able to take off the floor head and add the accessory pack and take out to clean the car is really good. Battery doesn't last very long when on full suction, but that was detailed before I purchased it. Lasts about 40 minutes on low-medium level. A bit noisier than I was expecting, but does a good job of cleaning floors, carpet and lino. The button to take off the floor head and also the one to change to shorter handle is too difficult for my mum to do, due to arthritis in her hands, so anyone with same condition may find this a struggle. Friend bought one of these and I was so impressed I immediately bought one, and it is fantastic. On full power it practically sucks the carpet off the floor. You need to empty the dust container every time or so, but that's easy. Rinse the replaceable foam filter in warm water and pop it on a radiator and it's dry very quickly. The instructions say 24 hours, but that certainly wasn't necessary. Using the tools requires you to press a button to remove the cleaner and also the handle. The button is stiff but okay. It was easy to fit the conversion head and tools. Great for the car, curtains etc. Recharges quickly with a visible 3-light system to tell you how the charge is doing. I can do the whole house easily on a full charge, even using full power bursts. I now prefer using this to my big Sebo cleaner. It's light and very maneuverable.